Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany from Huiyaolaser Technology Luoyang Co. Limited. So in today's episode, I am at the newly designed module pack production line from Huiyaolaser. So for this line, their line efficiency can officially reach 14 ppm. So for today's episode, I'm gonna give you another introduction of this line. Without further ado, let's go. So this will be the first workstation automatic loading, which means cell will be automatically transferred on the top of the double speed chain by the robot arm.